Fast fashion. It's the system that makes clothes cheap, trendy, and available faster than ever before. But it's also one of the biggest reasons behind pollution, exploitation, and waste in the fashion world. So, what exactly is fast fashion? Fast fashion means producing clothes quickly and cheaply to keep up with the latest trends. Many big brands built their entire business on this idea. Spot a new trend on the runway or on a celebrity, copy it fast, manufacture it for cheap, and get it into stores within weeks. That's why the clothes you see today, online or in malls, are always what's in right now. It sounds great for shoppers. New styles, low prices, constant variety. But behind this convenience is a massive system built on speed and compromise. Let's break it down. To make clothes this fast, brands need cheap labor and quick production. Most fast fashion clothes are made in countries like Bangladesh, India, Vietnam, and China, where workers often earn very low wages and work in unsafe factories. In 2013, a factory building in Bangladesh called Rana Plaza collapsed, killing more than 1,100 garment workers. It was a wake-up call that showed the real human cost of cheap fashion. Next, let's talk about the environment. The fashion industry is one of the most polluting in the world. To make one cotton t-shirt, it takes about 2,700 liters of water, enough for one person to drink for more than 2 years. Then there's the dyeing process, which releases chemicals into rivers and soil. Synthetic fibers like polyester, which are used in most fast fashion clothes, are made from petroleum, basically plastic. And every time we wash these clothes, tiny microplastics go into the ocean. And because the clothes are made cheaply, they don't last long. They tear, shrink, fade, or go out of style within weeks. So people throw them away. Every second, the equivalent of one garbage truck full of clothes is burned or dumped into a landfill somewhere in the world. Fast fashion has also changed how we think about shopping. It turned clothes from something we needed into something we consume endlessly. People buy clothes not because they need them, but because they're new, cheap, and trending on social media. Influencer culture, haul videos, and online sales have made this worse. We feel pressured to wear something new all the time. Now, there's also the question of ethics. If a t-shirt costs 200 rupees or $3, someone somewhere is paying the price. And it's not the brand. It's usually the worker, the farmer, or the environment. So what's the alternative? Slow fashion. It focuses on quality instead of quantity. It means buying fewer clothes, choosing better materials, and supporting brands that pay fair wages and respect the planet. It also includes thrifting, upcycling, renting clothes, or simply wearing what you already own. We don't have to stop buying clothes altogether, but we can be smarter about it. Before buying something new, ask, will I wear this at least 30 times? If the answer is no, maybe it's not worth it. Fast fashion changed the world. It democratized trends and made style accessible to everyone. But it also came with a hidden cost that the planet and people are paying for. The next time you buy something cheap and new, remember, it's not just a bargain. It's part of a system that affects everything, from rivers to workers to your own closet.